Are you tired of that nagging feeling that your money is slipping through your fingers, no matter how hard you try to keep track? Do you dream of a world where you know exactly where every naira is going and can finally start making real progress towards your financial goals? Well, you're in the right place. Because today, we're diving deep into a powerful budgeting tool that has transformed the financial lives of countless people around the globe, and the best part? You can harness its power without spending a single kobo. We're talking about YNAB. You need a budget, and specifically, how you can use its free trial to kickstart your journey to financial clarity and control. Now, you might be thinking, free trial? What's the catch? And that's a fair question. While YNAB is a subscription-based service, they generously offer a 34-day free trial. That's more than a month to experience the full power of their budgeting philosophy and software without any commitment. Think of it as a risk-free test drive for your financial future. So, how do you actually leverage this free trial to its fullest? The first step is simple: sign up. Head over to the YNAB website. I'll put a link in the description below for easy access. The sign-up process is straightforward, and you'll be guided through creating your account. Once you're in, the magic begins with connecting your financial accounts. Don't worry, YNAB uses secure connections, and you have complete control over what you link. This allows YNAB to automatically import your transactions, saving you countless hours of manual data entry. Next comes the heart of YNAB, the 4 rules. These aren't just arbitrary suggestions, they're a powerful framework for conscious spending and financial planning. The first rule is to give every naira a job. This means assigning every single naira you have to a specific category in your budget. Whether it's groceries, rent, transportation, or that dream vacation fund, every naira has a purpose. The second rule is to embrace your true expenses. Think about those less frequent but inevitable costs: car maintenance, annual subscriptions, gifts. YNAB helps you break these down into manageable monthly amounts, so you're never caught off guard by a large, unexpected bill. Rule number 3 is to roll with the punches. Life happens, and sometimes you'll overspend in one category. YNAB encourages you to be flexible and move money from another category to cover the overspending. This isn't about restriction, it's about making conscious choices and adjusting your plan as needed. Finally, the 4th rule is to age your money. This is the ultimate goal: to reach a point where you're spending money that you earned at least 30 days ago. This creates a buffer and reduces financial stress significantly. During your free trial, take the time to set up your budget categories thoughtfully. Really consider where your money is currently going and where you want it to go. Play around with different scenarios. What if you want to save for a down payment on a house? Create a category and see how much you can realistically allocate each month. Don't be afraid to explore YNAB's features. They have excellent reporting tools that provide valuable insights into your spending habits. You can see where your money is going at a glance and identify areas where you might be able to save. They also have a fantastic mobile app that allows you to track your spending on the go, making it easy to stay on top of your budget no matter where you are. The 34-day free trial is your opportunity to fully immerse yourself in the YNAB way of budgeting. Take advantage of their support resources, watch their tutorial videos, and even join their online community. You'll find a wealth of information and a supportive group of people all working towards the same goal: financial peace of mind. Using YNAB for free during the trial period allows you to experience firsthand how it can transform your relationship with money. You'll gain clarity, take control, and start building a more secure financial future, all without any initial investment. So, what are you waiting for? Take that first step today and unlock the power of intentional budgeting. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.